Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. If you're looking for all things paper-mâché, you have come to the right channel. This week, I'm going to show you how to make the paper-mâché bunny and how to make an armature. For the best creative DIY craft content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY creative crafts that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. I wanted to just do a quick run through of how I made my armature for the bunny rabbit. So I took dollar store wire and created the legs and the spine basically. I did create the hump for the back, but then I realized that I needed that to be a little bit thicker or bigger, just so that my bunny was able to actually stand with the wire structure first. After I wrapped around the wire, I did make sure that it was able to stand again and centered everything. From there, I added the tin foil. I did make a head on the tin foil, and I didn't make the head the exact size that I wanted it to be, but I just did the structure of the tin foil so that I was able to apply different layers of the paper-mâché. I wrapped the entire body with the tin foil so that I was able to then start creating the paper-mâché bunny. Hi guys, so this week we're going to be making the paper-mâché Easter bunny, and this is for our Easter basket that we're going to be doing. Now I did start with the armature. If you want to use the same paper-mâché that I'm using, I'll link the video here. Comment down below if you're going to be decorating your table or any portion of your home with Easter decoration. Now that you know how to make the paper-mâché bunny, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, are you able to join a group of creative minds like yourself? I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload your DIY craft content. You can check out the link in my description box. Check out any of my paper-mâché tutorials next and my upcoming tutorial, which will be posted next Tuesday. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Have a wonderful week.